Ready to take control of your financial future and build a winning portfolio with SBI Mutual Fund? Let's dive right into creating your portfolio. First, head over to the SBI Mutual Fund website or download their user-friendly app. It's your gateway to investment opportunities. If you're new to SBI Mutual Fund, click on the New Investor or Register button. You'll need to provide your personal details like PAN, KYC and bank account information. Keep them handy. Fill out the online form accurately, creating a secure username and password. This is your key to accessing and managing your investments. Now comes the exciting part: choosing your investment options. SBI Mutual Fund offers a wide range of funds. Understand the different categories: equity for higher growth potential, debt for stability, and hybrid for a mix of both. Take your time to explore the fund details, like past returns, expense ratios, and risk levels. Pick funds that align with your risk appetite and financial goals. Once you've chosen your funds, decide how much you want to invest in each. You can start small and increase your investment over time. Confirm your investment details and complete the payment process. Congratulations, you've successfully created your portfolio. Regularly monitor your investments through the SBI Mutual Fund platform. You can easily track fund performance, redeem your investments when needed, or even switch between funds to optimize your portfolio. Building a portfolio with SBI Mutual Fund is a powerful way to achieve your financial dreams. Start today and watch your investments grow. #SBI Mutual Fund #investment portfolio.